know you're let you know you're running circles from my mind. Even when it's raining, all you ever do is
damn. Oh, the owner's here. The owner's here.
On the vlog?
Yeah, hell, you're on the vlog.
Hey, how you doing?
Good, dude. The car looks great. So, are you gonna do it or no?
I'm probably gonna do it. I think I'm gonna pull the trigger and just do it.
Pop your hood.
Make the best out of it.
Pop your hood, bro. Ran into another Subaru owner while shopping for some tools. But he's got a little bit of a little secret in the under the hood. Ooh, wait. There's something missing.
I don't have intercooler. You know, I took the intercooler out.
Oh, it's not even turbo anymore.
Yeah, you don't even need the intercooler. I figured, it's just weight reduction.
Damn. Let's see where it is. Where is it? Dang. That's so crazy.
Just to get this part right here covered, I got a little parent cover going in there.
Okay.
But it looks kind of lonely once you take the stock intercooler off and the stock cover.
Yeah. Let's ask you guys a question.
Ooh.
Right?
Yes.
Right?
Yes,
okay, so obviously there's no top mount anymore. It's a front mount intercooler. Should he make it an open face so you can see the intercooler, or should he keep it super sleeper?
Yes.
What do you want to do? What do you think? What do you think? What are you leaning toward?
I really want to just cut it. I really just wanted to cut it and just go full send.
Okay. Here, let me show you guys. See, look, super sleeper, no airflow, right? There's like no airflow at all. Oh my gosh. So if you do this, you're gonna probably chop this?
Well,
Or you're gonna chop just this?
I'm thinking of just right now, probably this part right here.
Just this
Get
part?
this part right here.
Okay.
The 18s are a little different with the new front bumper.
Yeah.
Than like the 15s and to the 17s.
Okay, so you can just probably remove this.
320 to the wheel, 334 torque.
A little bit.
Just a little bit.
Just a little bit. Would you do it again?
No.
How many hours?
I started at 8 o'clock at night and I finished at 3 in the morning.
Fuck.
Yeah,
That's commitment.
That's good.
That's commitment.
It was for him.
Ooh, easy guy, easy.
Car meet.
Yeah, it's a car meet today. It's hella early. Damn, okay. System I have, but your panel's a lot nicer.
I have the carb intake, the TGV, EGR deletes, from my intercooler, turbo back 3-inch, I have the down J-pipe NVIDIA, and then NVIDIA catback in one. Scared to go E though. To go E, then
Ooh, that's it. You're addicted.
Yeah.
You're addicted.
Yeah.
I need some in my car today too. I need some of that corn today. Car looks good.
Definitely sleepers, look stock.
Yeah.
I'm on BC coilovers, so I have a little bit of low lower.
Oh, here's his Instagram. Go stalk him for a bit. Damn, you're tinted. Look at this. Wow.
You can't see me.
No.
You know the whole story behind the tint?
Huh.
I learned how to drive stick in this car.
Okay.
So day one, I tinted the windows dark, so when I stalled, you couldn't see me. It's kind of embarrassing. So I learned how to drive stick in this car.
Yeah.
So, ripped the clutch.
Yeah.
But I got it down now. But that's the reason why the windows are so dark, so no one can see me.
Damn, hide from the haters.
Yeah, that's the story behind it. For sure. Take care.
Yeah, thank you.
Nice
Thank
meeting
you.
And then, yeah, appreciate it.
Yeah. Guys, leave in the comments below. Let us know.
Yeah, let me know if I go full send, and then I'll send him a picture and he'll post it.
That'd be sick. Yeah, go stalk his Instagram. What's up? Good morning. Welcome to Tuna Crate.
But just for your commentary, and then you can send me also the attorney, and then I'll explain, you know,
Okay.
what our intention is.
Got it.
Perfect, Mike.
I just got done with a meeting with Chris Vicious Staying. If you guys don't know, he's actually one of our clients. So we do a lot of marketing, production, merchandising for them. So that's one of the things I don't talk about too often. But we have a lot of cool clients that we work with, and I like the season that we're dropping for them. So fucking nice. And sorry about my language, but they're so damn nice. I was so close to getting this one. Like same color, same year. Mud flaps. Hey, you wanna go for a ride? She does. Cool, let's go for a drift sesh. Is it all good from you? Stand up. Okay, baby, let's get back to work now. Actually, let's go take a tour of the inside. You guys down? You're not down, Aaliyah. Let's check out the progress since the last time. Take a tour again of this space. Yay! Okay, let's go in here. Dun 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 dun. Oh jeez! Oh jeez! Oh! Almost died. What do you think, Aaliyah? She's hands-free. She's driving. Oh, watch where you're going! There you go. Uh-oh. What do you think? What's uh-oh? Aaliyah, you said we were done. She told me get off, and in reality, she wanted me to get off so she could have it. We're not done? What? Sit down, babe. Sit down. Sit down. Thank you. Alright guys, this is not car related, but I kind of wanted to show you what we're working with. Give you a little teaser of the escape room stuff. So as you can see, this is a box, and this box right here has something inside, and from there, so I'm installing the technology that goes inside of this so the box cannot be opened without triggering something. So that's all I'm gonna tell you. I don't want to show you too much, but this is kind of the technology. So the back side of it is a false door right here that hides all the tech inside. So, but from this side, you cannot see it, except this mag lock, of course, but you can't hide that really. This is how it kind of looks right now. Man, guys, today was a long day, and there's a ton of traffic out here. If you guys are in Southern California, you guys know what I'm talking about. Traffic is life. It is normal life out here for us SoCal residents. But let's see what kind of song we're playing right now. Let's see. Black Smurf. If you guys don't know Black Smurf, good music. Check them out on SoundCloud. But I'm headed home right now. I'm in the Ram 3500 dually, driving home. This is my workhorse, so taking this to work tomorrow to do some more construction on the space. I really wish I could show you guys what it looks like inside, but I just can't because I don't want to ruin it, ruin the crazy escape room that we're doing. But let me teleport you at home. I'm starving, I'm hungry, I'm sweaty, and have not been drinking enough water today. Ready? Yeah, boom! I made it home. Tesla parked itself, kinda. Not all the way in, let me check. Tesla, what the hell? You park it this way. Oh, I canceled it, my bad, that's why. Oopsie, that was my fault. I thought I was like, what the hell? I didn't even park it correctly. My mistake. It was parking itself. I accidentally pressed this when I was doing it. I'm jumping to conclusions. I'm hungry. I'm grumpy. What do they call this? Hangry? Currently hangry. Eee. Oh, my third baby. Oh, no. Oh, no. Sit, Turbo. Sit. Sit. Down. Down. Can we say bye to the vlog? I was gonna extend the vlog a little bit longer and do some more fun stuff. Gosh, Turbo. But I didn't realize the vlog was this long already, so we're gonna say goodbye.
Bye.
There we go. Can you blow him a kiss?
Bye.
10 a.m.? I gotta teach her how to say 10 a.m. 10 a.m. uploads. Goodbye.
Bye.
Peace out. Blow him one more kiss? One more kiss?